Who doesn't love an OG Jordan 1 colorway? 2025 has been a pretty nice comeback year for Jordan Brand so far, and it is continuing with this pair right here. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Jordan 1 Low 85 Royal. Very quickly, if this is your first time on the channel, my name is Josh. I do all types of sneaker and fashion related content. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're up to date, and give me a follow over on Instagram. That's where I'm the most active, and the links to my podcast can be found in the description of this video. So getting back to the shoes, now these released in Europe on February the 22nd for a retail price of 170 euros. And these were also supposed to release in the United States on that same date, but as far as I know, that did not happen. And I tried searching for information about when the official release date for these will be in North America. I just could not find any info, but as soon as I find out something, I will leave a pinned comment in this video. The retail price for these in North America will be $160. Now this of course is the Royal colorway, which is one of the OG colorways of the Jordan 1. We've seen it a couple of times, most recently on the high top version when we saw the reimagined Jordan 1, which not a lot of people liked because those were going for almost 50% off the retail price. In 2017, we got a much better retro of this pair, which to this day is still one of my favorite Jordan 1s that I own. By the way, this sneaker and this leather has just aged so beautifully. When I wear this shoe now, it feels like I'm putting on a pair of socks. That's how nicely they fit and how comfortable they are, and it seems to just get better looking with age. The last time we saw this colorway on the lows was actually in 2015, so it's been 10 years since we've seen the Royals in a low top version, and this time we got it in the OG 85 form. Now you may or may not like that. Personally, I love the 85 shape. I just did my review of the recent 85 breads. I did notice, however, a couple of the comments in the video I made about the shoe said that this shoe in this shape kind of looks like a Jordan 1 mid. And yeah, I can't lie, I do kind of see that, even though I still love the overall shape. But I'm also gonna say that I think this 85 shape looks even better on the lows. Compared to your standard Jordan 1 lows, for me, this 85 shape just elevates the shoe and makes it look way better. I got these as well in my collection, which I haven't even worn yet. These were the neutral grays that came out. Now, is it over a year ago already? It's about time I actually put these on. I'm planning to rock these in the summer. But yeah, I'm definitely a fan of 85 lows, and I hope Jordan Brand makes more of them. Let me know in the comments, how do you guys feel about the 85 shape on the lows? The box of this sneaker, it's like you're getting a skinnier box here because it's definitely a totally different shape than your regular Jordan 1 low box. It's definitely smaller. And getting into the shoes now, have a look at this toe box. That's where I noticed a very significant difference compared to your standard or OG quote unquote Jordan 1 lows. There is a bit of a higher cut on the mudguard there. And moving into my favorite part about this 85 version, it's got to be the swoosh. The swoosh is much bigger on this version compared to your standard Jordan 1 lows. It's a much cleaner look in my opinion. And then you'll also notice, have a look at the midsole. There's much more of a curved midsole on this shoe, whereas the standard pairs are just much more straight. What I noticed that's different with this Royal pair compared to the neutral grays, well, there's a couple of things. First of all is the midsole. You'll notice that if you look at the back of the midsole, it does kind of slant inwards for the Royal pair, whereas it's much more straight on the neutral grays. And from what I read, the OG versions from 1985 actually featured this slanting inwards insole. And the other thing that I noticed is different is definitely the quality of the leather. The leather does feel a lot softer on the neutral grays, whereas on this pair, the leather is quite stiff. It seems to me that it's exactly the same leather that they used on the Bread 85s. This does not mean that this is bad leather, by the way, guys. It just means that it's gonna take quite some time to actually break these in. So yeah, it is a bit annoying for sure, because on these neutral grays, there's definitely a thinner leather used here. You get the nice Jordan 1 Wings logo on the heel, and if you wanted to switch up the laces, they also come with an extra pair of royal blue laces. And speaking of the royal blue, I mean, just comparing it with my 2017 pair, it does feel like the color on this shoe is a lot more vibrant, but that might just be because the shoe is from 2017. Maybe the color faded a bit, but just having a look at these two together, you can definitely notice it on camera. These are looking a lot more vibrant. And getting into sizing with this pair, I got this in my true size, a US 11, and they do fit me the same as the Jordan 1 Bred 85s, which means that right out the box, especially in that midfoot area, it might feel a little uncomfortable and you might think that you got the wrong size. My suggestion, if you have normal size feet or even slightly wide feet, I still think you should go with your true size and just kind of tough it out. These will widen a bit the more you wear them. It's not so uncomfortable to the point where it's painful. It does feel a slight bit annoying right out the box. I would definitely say if you have wide feet, then you want to go up half a size in these. It's really interesting. I mean, when comparing these to the neutral grays, the neutral grays don't give me that problem in the midfoot area. So it's just pretty funny that two 85 Jordan 1 lows fit kind of very different. I think with these shoes, definitely black is the move. I think wearing these with black pants are when these shoes are gonna look best. And of course, summertime is not that far away. These are gonna look very, very nice in the summertime with some shorts. Yeah, can't lie, great pair. I hope that they do eventually see a release date in North America. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts about the Jordan 1 Low 85 Royal? Are you planning on copying a pair? As I said earlier, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give me a follow on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for supporting my content and for stopping by and clicking on this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.